Good morning everyone. It's day 386.
Magkakatama yan?
Hindi. Marami.
Ay, mga selfie ulit.
At pinili mo lang sa kanya.
May isang set na siya.
Siya yan, di ba?
Ako nakakasagat niya mo ba?
Thank you. Di ko na ako gas.
Bakit ko yan? Iba na naman ba tayo pakapihan mo?
Kaya nga.
Ano yan eh, paternity? Nakibon ka mo, lalaki na ka mo, kung gano'n pa kinabago mag-iwala mo.
Oh?
Kaya, nakinataki ba yung paternity, kapag ang bantay niya iba? Ano ba? Okay. Maganda pa sila ng lalaki bago mag-iwala. Nakakafrat. Ayan pa.
Good evening everyone. It's day 387. Nay ko nalagyan ng laman yun kasi may hot water na siya. Ako na nabuksan yung ano, mga electric fan. Okay. I'll do the tea. Then I'll do aloe. Cheers. Let me do the tea. This one. Conversation ba yun? Or enrollment yun? Or like, 4 years? Yes, nag-isip na kasi ako after 4 years kung ganito, pero hindi dapat na. Ano yung may target goal ka? Huwag kayong magpaplano agad kasi mahirap. Anyways, we're done. Good night. Good evening everyone. It's day 388. It's getting harder and harder to track this place. OA. Today is June 23. Tomorrow, I'll be enrolling for first year college. Cheers. Course, BS in Psych. Confident pa ako? Sakto lang. Sana. Kaya naman siguro. Oh, magtitilang tayo ngayon. Hindi ko rin alam bakit. Pero tilang muna. Hindi na natin ng konti. Add flavor. This is chamomile, good at calming your system. No, it's not chamomile. Okay. Okay, that is all. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Good evening, everyone. It's day 389. Yes. Let's see. Paubos na ang aking tea. Hala, ginagawa mo, bro. Tumalon yung tissue sa bag. Anyways, I'm officially enrolled for first year college. BS Psych. What the heck? College? Mabang college sa'yo? Hindi, diba? Cheers. Mali yung inom ko. Hindi ko na napansin niya. Ayun. College. I'm not sure what to expect. Or what to look forward to. I just hope it goes well. You know, good people, good blockmates, good professors, a manageable subject, manageable discussion, a manageable amount of workload. As always, just, you know, create new memories with new people. Good memories sana yung majority. I just hope it goes well, smooth. I'm going to expect some challenges, pero like, hindi tayo bigyan ng challenge na hindi natin kaya. Good night. Good morning, everyone. It's day 390. Whoa. Well,
390.
90.
Nani?
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 Cheers. And when she goes and she goes, her tired.
Step na tayo bago umalis dito. Diretso na natin.
Ano oras pala tayo aalis pupuntang airport?
12:30.
12:30?
Yeah.
May pabang baka maiwan. Bye. Good evening, everyone. It's It's 309, day 391. Hashtag sabog. So, hi. Cheers. Wala akong tissue. Wait. Next, we're only going to drink tea for tonight. Because we ate rice tonight. Ang init, grabe. Hindi ko naman. Ba't ganun? Can somebody explain the logic of that? This is a mug given by my cousin. My cousin. Here, we have our tea. Ang oatmeal to pero yeah. Okay na to, guys. Okay na to? Thank you so much. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good evening, everyone. It's day 392. It's a very rainy evening. Rainy evening. Oof. Cheers. Hindi pa nagsistart ang school ko. Update. Nanood kami concert. SB19. Kasama sila Bini, Flojies, Kastokli. There are 2 girl groups. Exciting actually. So Philippine Arena siya. So nakaka-excite siya. It will be a big event. It will be a first time for us to watch a concert and I can't wait. We already prepared our outfits kasi bukas alis na kami. Can you believe it? Kahapon lang kami nalaman na manonood kami concert. Kahapon lang naman manonood kami concert. Tapos ang concert is sa Saturday na. It's currently Thursday. So yeah, we're leaving tomorrow after lunch. For, alam mo yun, kasi pagka umalis ka talaga mismo ng Saturday, traffic yun. So like, to avoid traffic, matutulog na kami sa arena. May nakuha sila nasa mismo arena siya. So I cannot wait. I'm so excited. We are actually excited kasi tatlo kami, Mommy, Ali, and ako. We can't wait. Dito ka ba? Ay, ninis. Matabang yung tea, so dinadagdagan ko siya. There. Okay, then we're good. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow.